Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to stop user from adding you on Telegram groups. So for this guys, just you need to open the Telegram app on your device. After opening on the top left side corner, you can get three lines, just tap on it. Okay, from here you need to open the settings. In the settings, tap on privacy and security, and here you can get the option groups, just tap on it. From here guys, you can get the option which persons can add you on the Telegram groups. So I have selected my contacts. This means guys, only my contacts will able to add me on the Telegram group. So if you want to block any particular person to add you on any Telegram group, just you need to select never allow add users like this. From here you can get the contact list of your Telegram. As you can see, from easily you can select that contact from here like this. So from here you can easily restrict the contacts to add you on the any Telegram group. So that's today guys, is a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.